So in this lesson I'm going to show you how to sniff and inject packets into a wireless network. So first off, I need to scan all the wireless networks around me. And to do that, I will type aerodump-ng, which is a packet sniffer program. And the monitor mode wireless interface WLAN0mon. And press enter to start the scanning. And here you can see useful information from all the wireless networks around me, like the MAC address, channel number, encryption type, and network name. Now to stop the scanning process, use Ctrl+C. Okay, so let's see how to sniff packets from a specific network. And in my case, the target network is Skynet. Also make sure you are doing this test on your own network. So let's get started by typing the following command: aerodump-ng --bssid and copy the MAC address from the target network and paste it here. Then you need to specify the channel using -c and the channel number, which is 6. Now the next step is to type -w for write and put the file name. This is the file where all the data will be saved, and in my case I will type capture. And lastly, put the wireless interface WLAN0mon and press enter. This will start capturing all the packets from the wireless network in a file called capture01.cap. So to find the file, I will open a new tab and type ls. And here you can see the capture01.cap file. Okay, now let's see how to inject packets into the target network. So to do that, I'm going to type the following command: airplay-ng --dout for the authentication attack, and put the number of packets which you want to send. And for this example, I will use 10. And then type -a and put the MAC address for the target network and the wireless interface WLAN0mon. Okay, now let's analyze the file to see if I have successfully injected those packets. So I'll type Wireshark and the capture file name and press enter. And now I'm going to look for the authentication packets, which you can see here. These packets will disconnect all the clients from the wireless network. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.